Hi guys, today we're going to practice two-digit multiplication. Already I posted one video regarding this, so let's continue this practice session. Those who not watched the video, please do watch the first video of two-digit multiplication practice. Okay, go and search it in my playlist, two-digit multiplication practice. Okay, let's start. We have three steps. First is first number multiply. What is that? 1 into 2, that is 2. Add 2 zeros. Second step, 2 near numbers, 2 far numbers. You have to multiply these numbers and add it. 5 2s are 10 plus 5 cross 1 5. So 10 plus 5 15. So put 15 and add 1 0. Third step, multiply unit digit. Unit digit is 5. So 5 cross 5 25. Add it as 25 only. No zeros here. Now total is 573. Okay, check it in your calculator. Let's do second sum. 1 cross 1 1. Add 2 zeros. 7 9. So 7 plus 9 16. Put 1 0. Here 2 zeros. Here 1 0. Then unit digit multiplication, that is 7 cross 9 63. Add it directly. Now total 12 323. Check it in your calculator. First digit multiply 2. Add 2 zeros. 2 near numbers, 2 far numbers multiply. 3 2s are 6 plus 1 cross 9 9. So total 15. Put 15, add 1 0. Then third step, unit digit multiplication. 3 cross 9 9 3s are 27. Add it. Check it in your calculator. Fourth sum. 3 4s are 12. 1200. Now 2 4s are 8 plus 3 5s are 15. 8 plus 15 23. So put 23, add 1 0. Final step, 2 5s are 10. Check it in your calculator whether it is right or wrong. Now let's do another 4 sums. Do that in our mind. Okay, I am going to do this remaining 4 sums in my mind. You just listen what I am saying. Okay, this is mind practice. Okay, listen to my words. Okay, 6 7s are 42. 4200. 7 3s are 21. 6 2s are 12. 21 31 33. 4200, 4500, 4530, 4536. Check it in your calculator whether it is right or wrong. Listen it carefully what I am saying, how I am doing. Okay, 600. 9 plus 24 33. 930. 966. 3600. 4095. Last final sum. 1000. 1310. 1325. Okay, so how I did it mentally means I just doing the calculation in paper, right? So the same calculation I'm doing in mind. Okay, let's do it once again in the paper. Okay, for your clarity, because this is the practice session, so we have to give time for practice, right? So learn with me, join with me. 6 7s are 42, right? 42 100. First step. Second step, 3 7s are 21. 6 2s are 12. 21 31 plus 2 33. Okay, third step, unit digit. 3 2. 3 2s are what? 6. Answer is same, right? Matching or not? Do it with confidence, friends. Okay, confidence is very much important. Don't check your memory. Okay, so do it regularly. The practice make you perfect. Okay, practice makes you perfect. Okay, let's do the second sum. Okay, what is the second sum? First step, second step, third step. For your clarity, I am doing this. Okay, don't do this calculation in exam. Okay, do like this. Mind calculation is very much important. So for your practice, I am doing this in paper. Okay, I just want to show you how I am doing, so that only we are conducting this practice session. Got it? Okay. First digit multiply. 600. You have to add 2 zeros. Then 2 near numbers multiply. Add this with 2 far numbers. Okay. 9 cross 1, 9. Okay. Then 6 fours are 24. Add these 2 numbers. 24 plus 9, 33. So put it 33 and add 1 0. Okay. Third step. Unit digit multiplication. 9 cross 4, 36. Add it simply. What is the answer? 966. Matching or not? Matching. Super. Then third sum. First step, second step. Third step. Okay. 4 nines are 36. Add 2 zeros. In the second step, 2 near numbers. Add this 2 far numbers. Okay. What is the 2 near numbers multiplication? 5 nines are 45. 2 far numbers multiplication 4. So totally 45 plus 4, 49. 49, add 1 0. Unit digit multiply 5, 1. 5 ones are 5. Okay. 9, 0, 4, 0, 9, 5. Matching. Yes, matching. Then fourth sum. First step, second step, third step. Very simple only. But you have to do this multiplication regularly. Okay. 5 2s are 10. Okay, add 2 zeros. 2 near numbers, 2 far numbers. 3 2s are 6. 5 5s are 25. 25 plus 6, 31. Add 1 0. Then unit digit multiply. 15. 2, 1 3 2 5. Matching. Super. Super, right? Yes, super. Very super. You have to do any kind of 2-digit multiplication in this method. So practice every day. That is very much important. Let's continue this practice session in another video also. So keep watching. Thank you.